Hello viewers, very good morning. Welcome to Varun Krishna YouTube channel. Today we are going to see some interesting jobs which is about video editor and graphic designer and content marketing jobs. Yes, let's see in detail about this job in this video. Yes, this is as usual our disclaimer card. I'm just saying the same thing only. I'm just repeating the same thing in my each and every video. I'm just acting as a bridge between the job seeker and the employer. Whatever the jobs I'm just posting here, right? I hope which is very genuine. I never ever post any fake and fraudulent jobs here. Also, the one thing I'm just keep saying again and again, I never ever ask you to pay the money to get a job. In case if you are paying the money to get a job, I am not the responsible person for that. Yes, let's jump into this video right away. Yes, just before I said right, in this video completely about regarding the video editor, graphic designer and content marketing jobs. In this video we are going to see only these jobs only. Yes, the first job is VDart. I hope you know very well about the VDart. VDart Siddha Ahmed, right? He's the entrepreneur. He's having a lot of award in this company. So, which means what I'm trying to say here. Recently, the company has been awarded a very good place to work. Okay, in this company, they are just hiring for the video editor jobs. The experience they are looking for 1 to 3 years. The location is Trichy. So they are looking for some proficiency in the video editing tools. So the tools have been listed out here: DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Sony Vegas, and Final Cut Pro. So one who having the good knowledge in any one of the tools, then please apply the job. VDart is a very good company. I know very well. So why? Because I'm just following Siddha since long time. So it's a very good startup company. So in case we are getting the job in this company, then you can able to grow yourself like anything. Yes, if you want to apply the job, please share your resume. The mentioned email ID here. We are hiring at b.inc.com. Once you are shortlisted, you are just calling for that interview. You are going to be called for the interview. Yes, please do not miss this opportunity. When you having the passion about the graphic design and video editor, please do apply this post ASAP. Yes, the second company is called Spendflo. Spendflo is a SaaS-based company. It's a startup company which is located in Chennai only. So, who want to work with the product-based company? So nowadays the SaaS companies are growing like anything, like Zoho and Freshworks and ChargeBee. So many of the SaaS companies are growing up based out our Chennai location as well. So having the good knowledge about the content marketing, please try to apply this Spendflo opportunities. Okay, let's see in detail about the jobs. What are the roles they are just hiring? Performance marketing manager, visual designer, content writer, motion graphic designer, webflow developer, growth marketing intense, content marketing intense. So as a fresher, you are looking for the visual designer job, content writer job or marketing job, please, I hope Spendflo is a right opportunity, right place to work. Why? Because I'm just saying the same thing, which is the very good startup SaaS based company, which is location is Chennai. Who want to work in the native place, please do apply immediately. So if you feel if you are fit in one of the above profiles, you can drop the email to the mentioned email ID here. Midhunika and Nivas, they are the right person to contact regarding this job. Please drop a note for them along with your resume. Okay, do not waste your time. Try to share your resume ASAP. So again, I'm saying the same thing only. Which is the role is based out of Chennai only. There is none other offices across the India. They are having the only one office in Chennai alone. So who want to work with in Chennai location, please do apply. Again, I'm saying it's a very good startup SaaS based company. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, while watching this video, please do not skip this video. Try to observe all the points what I'm saying. If you are okay, please share this video to your friend circle, colleagues and others who are looking for the job change or job. Okay, in case if you are not feeling okay, then again try to share others in this video. Okay, I hope whatever the jobs I'm just posting here, right, I hope which is very useful for you, I hope. But in case again this video is not useful for you, then just simply share to others. They will get benefited by seeing this video. Thank you so much. Let's see in another video.